Welcome to the ultimate outdoor adventure destination, introducing our Duplex 4-unit Royal MAPS. Crafted for boundless fun and excitement, our outdoor playground equipment combines multiple units of the Royal MAPS into a sprawling play area that promises hours of entertainment. Watch as children explore every nook and cranny of the Duplex 4-unit Royal MAPS, discovering thrilling slides, challenging climbers, and exhilarating swings that cater to every age and interest. Step into a world of outdoor adventure with our Duplex 4-unit Royal MAPS, complete with thrilling roto-straight and spiral slides. Crafted to ignite the imagination and fuel endless fun, our outdoor playground equipment offers a multifaceted play experience that captivates kids of all ages. Watch as children race down the exhilarating roto-straight slide or twist and turn on the thrilling spiral slide, their laughter echoing through the air as they embark on thrilling adventures. Introducing our Soldier Climber, the epitome of outdoor playground equipment for kids. Watch as children climb, scramble, and conquer every obstacle, their laughter echoing through the air as they push their limits and discover new heights of bravery and resilience. Our Jumble Climber. Introducing our outdoor playground equipment, the X&O Game Edition. Watch as children strategize, laugh, and learn as they take turns placing their X's and O's on the board, encouraging critical thinking and teamwork in an exciting outdoor environment. Introducing our thrilling Net Rock Climber, the ultimate challenge for adventurous kids. Crafted with safety and excitement in mind, our customizable Net Rock Climber provides a thrilling yet secure climbing experience that kids love. Watch as young climbers navigate the intricate ropes and conquer the heights of the Net Rock Climber. Transform any outdoor space into a heaven of joy and laughter with our Duplex 4-unit Royal MAPS. Contact us today to create unforgettable memories for your kids.